Is there a birdie out there? Look at that pretty face. Look, you're missing the birds. You better look out there. Birdie bird. Birdie, birdie, birdie. Look at that cute face. Are you on the camera for everybody? You gonna say hi to all your fans? Hello, Luna. She's got a little half a mustache there. Isn't that the cutest thing? She was making her bird noises. All cats make that noise, I think. At least all mine do. What's in there? Watering can. Yep. Well, you're missing the birdies. She don't care anymore. That's Lilu's stuff, but the little titmice just come and steal her seeds.